10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Start. As per the complaint, at about 11:30 hours, truck bearing number JK03C9491 was spotted moving towards Kathua stop. The said team was intercepted by PW1, who found two persons, driver Nisar Ahmed and Gulam Nabi, seated in the truck stop. Notices under CRL AD number 32/2022 section 50 of the NDPS Act were served upon the two accused before conducting their personal search stop. According to the complaint, the two accused expressed their willingness to be subjected to search in the presence of NCB team Jammu, and accordingly, they were subjected to personal search stop. However, no contraband substance was recovered from their personal search stop. Thereafter, PW1 conducted the search of the truck, and from the cabin of the said truck, one green colored envelope was recovered, which upon opening was found to contain two more packets wrapped in brown sellotape. Stop. Both these packets were weighed with weighing machine, and the recovered material was found to be weighing 4 kgs, and the same was tested with drug detection kit. Stop. It resulted positive for charas. Stop. According to the complainant, the recovered charas, which was in the shape of balls, was broken and a homogeneous mixture was made. Stop. Its net weight was found to be 3 kgs, whereafter, its two representative samples of 24 grams each were drawn and sealed on a spot with the seal which the team was carrying with it. Stop. The samples were marked as A1 and A2. Stop. The remaining contraband weighing 3 kgs was also sealed with 5 seals, and it was marked as Lot A. Stop. The recovery seizure memo as also the test memo were prepared on spot. Stop. Both the accused as well as PWs 1 and 2 put their signatures on the recovery seizure memo. Stop. After conducting the aforesaid proceedings, the seal was handed back to PW7 on 18/3/2017, and a receipt in respect thereof was obtained. Stop. The seized charas, Lot A, the wrapping Lot P, samples A1 and A2 were deposited in Malkhana on 18/3/2017 for safe custody, regarding which receipt was obtained from the in-charge Malkhana. Stop. Sample A1 along with 2 copies of test memo were sent to Central Revenue Control Laboratory, New Delhi, under covering letter dated 19/3/2017 for chemical analysis through a special messenger, driver on 19/3/2017, and the sample was received by Assistant Chemical Examiner, CRCL on 20/3/2017. Stop. Para. Further investigation of the case was then handed over to PW6, who recorded the statement of one Nisar Ahmed, the attorney holder of the owner of the truck in question. Stop. He also obtained the test analysis report of the charas from the chemical examiner, PW5, which confirmed that the sample in question is charas. Stop. Accordingly, the complaint was laid before the trial court. Stop. After filing of the complaint, co-accused was also arrested, and his statement under section 67 of the NDPS Act was recorded, in which he admitted that he had handed over 4 kgs of charas to appellant Nisar, criminal AD number 32/2022 Ahmed, for its delivery to co-accused. Stop. A supplementary complaint was filed against co-accused before the trial court on 22/3/2018. Stop. Over. तो दोस्तों, ये 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड का क्रिमिनल मैटर है, इसे लीजिएगा और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। कमेंट करके बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन, और अगर इसे ट्रांसक्राइब करना हो वेबसाइट पे जाकर आप कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसकी लिंक दी हुई है। थैंक यू सो मच। वहाँ पे आपको PDF मिल जाएगा आपके रिज़ल्ट का और मैटर का भी। ठीक है, बाय बाय।